The intermittent fasting craze. What's all the buzz about? Intermittent fasting has taken the health and wellness world by storm. It's not just another diet fad, it's a way of eating that's gaining serious attention. Celebrities, fitness gurus, and health experts are all talking about it. But what's all the fuss about? Why are so many people giving it a try? The appeal lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. Unlike complicated diets, intermittent fasting is straightforward. It's not about what you eat, but when you eat. This makes it easier for many people to follow. Plus, it's backed by science. Studies show it can lead to weight loss and other health benefits. Intermittent fasting isn't new. In fact, it's been around for centuries. Understanding intermittent fasting, a simple breakdown. So, what exactly is intermittent fasting? At its core, it's quite simple. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. It's not about what you eat, but when you eat. During fasting periods, you eat very little or nothing at all. During eating periods, you eat normally. The key is that intermittent fasting doesn't change what you eat. It changes when you eat. This is different from most diets. Most diets focus on what foods you can and can't eat. Intermittent fasting is more flexible. You can still eat your favorite foods. You just eat them during specific time windows. There are different ways to practice intermittent fasting. Some people fast for 16 hours a day and eat during an 8-hour window. Popular intermittent fasting methods. Find your fit. There are several popular methods of intermittent fasting. The most common is the 16-8 method. With this approach, you fast for 16 hours each day and eat during an 8-hour window. For example, you might eat between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. Then you fast from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. the next day. This method is popular because it's easy to incorporate into daily life. Another common method is the 5-2 diet. With this approach, you eat normally for 5 days of the week. On the other 2 days, you reduce your calorie intake to about 500 to 600 calories. These 2 days are not consecutive. For example, you might choose Monday and Thursday as your low-calorie days. This method allows for more flexibility in your weekly schedule. Some people prefer the Eat-Stop-Eat method. This involves fasting for 24 hours once or twice a week. For example, you might not eat from dinner one day until dinner the next day. Section 4. Shedding pounds. How intermittent fasting aids weight loss. Intermittent fasting can be, well, an effective tool for weight loss. But how does it work? When you fast, several things happen in your body. First, your insulin levels drop. Insulin is a hormone that helps your body store fat. When insulin levels are lower, it's easier for your body to burn fat. This can lead to weight loss over time. Fasting also increases human growth hormone levels. Human growth hormone plays a role in fat burning and muscle gain. Higher levels of human growth hormone can help you lose fat and maintain muscle mass. This is important for long-term weight loss success. It helps you maintain a healthy metabolism as you lose weight. Another way intermittent fasting aids weight loss is by reducing calorie intake. When you limit your eating to specific time windows, you naturally eat less. Section 5. Beyond the scale. Additional benefits of intermittent fasting. While weight loss is a common goal, intermittent fasting offers benefits beyond just shedding pounds. One significant benefit is improved insulin sensitivity. This means your body becomes more efficient at using insulin. Better insulin sensitivity can reduce your risk of type 2 diabetes. It can also help manage blood sugar levels if you already have diabetes. Intermittent fasting may also promote heart health. Some studies show it can lower blood pressure and reduce bad cholesterol levels. These are important factors in heart disease risk. By improving these markers, intermittent fasting may help protect your heart. Another potential benefit is improved brain health. Fasting may increase the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. BDNF is important for brain cell growth and protection. Some researchers believe this could help protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Section 6. Proceed with caution. Potential drawbacks and considerations. While intermittent fasting can be beneficial, it's not for everyone. Some people may experience side effects, especially when starting out. These can include hunger, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. These symptoms often improve as your body adjusts, but they can be challenging to deal with initially. It's important to listen to your body and adjust as needed. Certain groups should be cautious with intermittent fasting. This includes pregnant women, people with a history of eating disorders, and those with certain medical conditions. If you're taking medications, especially for diabetes, you should consult your doctor before starting. Fasting can affect how some medications work. Your doctor can help you determine if intermittent fasting is safe for you. For some people, intermittent fasting can lead to overeating during eating periods. This can negate the potential benefits. It's important to focus on eating nutritious, balanced meals during your eating windows.